The little red hen was frightened when the fox kept that hen in a sack. Then that hen was frightened. She could only whisper, "Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear." She is just speaking like this way, "Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear." She was a very neat and natty little hen. She is very neat and natty means beta clean and stylish. She is very clean and stylish hen. The bag is in which she was put was a floor bag. In which bag the fox kept her, that bag is a of a that bag was a floor bag. As the floor entered her nostrils, she felt that she was going to sneeze. When the floor entered in her nostrils, she felt that I am going to sneeze. She put her claw into her pocket for her handkerchief and was overjoyed because she felt her little Caesar. When she kept her claw means the hand of a hen, that she kept in the pocket. She felt that I having a Caesar in my pocket. She immediately thought a plan. She thought of a plan. Quick as a wink, she took out her scissor. Then she took out her scissor. She cut a little hole in the bag. She cut a hole in the bag. Peeping out, she saw a great hen just ahead. When she seen outside of the hole, she saw that there was a hill just ahead, means near, all covered with stones, and that hill is covered with stones. Papa Fox stopped to rest on his way up the hill. Then Papa Fox take a rest on that hill. His back was turned towards her. Her back was the Papa Fox do back to the hen. She took the opportunity and cut a big hole in the bag and jumped out. Afterward, she cut a big hole and jumped out from the sack and ran from there. She quickly put some stones in the bag. She put some stones in that bag in her place where in which sack she is there. She kept some stones in that bag. After a short nap, Papa Fox picked up the bag and continued up the hill. When Papa Fox wake up, he picked that bag and went to his home. He thought that bag was much heavier than before. Firstly, he thought that now bag is heavy before. But ignoring this, he said, "Never mind, she's a fat little hen." And then he thought that hen is a fat, that's why I am feeling heavy. She must have grown a little fatter. Now she became some more fatter. The thought of a good supper made his tongue hang out. When he's thinking about delicious food, then his tongue is hang out. Mama Fox and all the babies met Papa Fox at the front door. "What took you so long?" Then Mama Fox and baby foxes are waiting for the Papa Fox on the front of their house, and they asked from Papa Fox, "What took you so long? Why you are late? What have you in your bag? And what is in your bag?" asked the baby fox excitedly. The baby foxes are asking with excitedly. "It is a fat little hen," Papa Fox said. Papa Fox said that it was a little red hen, and she is so heavy I had to rest a while on my way uphill. That hen was heavy, that's why I taken some rest in my way. Mama Fox quickly lit a wood fire and put up a big pot of water to boil. Mama Fox lit a fire and put a big pot on the water. When the water began to boil, Papa Fox held the bag over the pot. When the water boiled, then the Papa Fox held the bag over the pot. Then Papa Fox kept that things in the pot. As he held the bag over the pot, when he keep upper side that bag over the pot, he said to Mama Fox, "When I drop her in, you clap on the lid." He said to Mama Fox, "When I kept that hen in the pot, then you clap on the lid, means you can close that lid. He opened the bag, splash went the boiling water. It spoiled all over Papa Fox and Mama Fox and the baby fox. When he kept that thing in the pot, the water came outside from the pot and it split on the Papa Fox, Mama Fox and the baby foxes. Papa Fox realized too late that the little red hen had fooled him. Afterward, he thought that hen made me fool. He said to Mamma Fox, "She must have escaped while I was taking a nap." Mamma Fox said, "What a stupid fellow you are." Then he said to Mamma Fox, "When I am sleeping that time, she escaped from the sack." The baby foxes began to cry as they were very hungry. Now baby foxes again cry because they were very hungry. Mama fox went into their own garden and chased a few rodents. When the mama fox went to their garden and take some rodents means beta an animal like a rat. They had to be satisfied with rodents too once again. Now they can again satisfied with the rodent. Today Papa Fox decided that red hens were too clever and made up his mind that he would never catch a red hen again. Now Papa Fox thought that red hens were very clever, that's why next time he would not caught any red hen.